Hello, beautiful beginners. I have another fun technique I'm playing with today and wanted to share with you. This is, you've probably seen me use something similar to this, but I think it's so fun and just a great exercise if you're in a rut or stuck or bored or uninspired. It's just fun to get the creativity going. I love dahlias. I have a whole book on them. I'll show you. This girl is actually my friend's neighbor up in Washington, and she grows these gorgeous dahlias. So I'm always looking in that book, and I just think they're so pretty. So I'm going to draw a little dahlia here. So we've got the center, all these little pieces, and I'm just using a micron pen. I would normally maybe use a pencil, but I want you to be able to see this. And then I'll just start drawing around. I'm keeping it simple, guys. I just want to have some fun here. And then I'm going in a, it's kind of hard to go upside down. I'm going to turn my paper. That's funny. And I'm just going to keep going around in a circle. And we'll get bigger and bigger. So now, oh my gosh, guys, look at that. That is crazy. Okay, let's keep going here. Let's see. I'm going to get larger pretty quick here so we don't have to wait too long for me to do this. Let's see. I try to kind of pattern them. This almost looks like a poinsettia, doesn't it? One more row here, keeping it simple. So, you know, I mean, it really doesn't matter to me what the flower is. It's just, I know it was inspired for me by that book, but you know, make it whatever you want. Have fun. It's your painting. There we go. So that's about basically it. Maybe a few tucked in here. Check this girl out, though. She's got, oh my gosh, I love her Instagram. I don't have her Instagram. I'll see if I can find it and put it in the description below. Okay, so this is the fun part. Actually, let's do our little stem here. There we go. And maybe some leaves coming up. Like that. Maybe one coming down. Something like that. And there we go. Okay. Here's the fun part. Draw, you know, you can draw any flower you want. Here is the fun part. Hopefully that is nice and dry. What I'm going to do, and I'm just using, sneak peek, you guys, this is a number 6 round in my subscription box. Woohoo! I'm sharing it. Don't know if I'm supposed to be, but there it is. And I love it. It's a little bit longer, which I kind of like. So what I'm going to do is I'm dipping my brush in water. And I'm going to go in, hopefully this dried, and just fill it with quite a bit of water. And I'm going to splatter. Gosh, watch how fun this is, you guys. So splatter, splatter, splatter. So I've got all these interesting water puddles. Now here's the fun part. Now I'm going to pick up, let's of course do my pink and my purple here. Let's get a little bit more of that because I love that color, as you know. And let's see, a little bit more. I want it pretty watery. I gotta have some of that Quinn, that rose red. And now I'm going to splatter in. Let's get make it even a little bit more watery. And I'm tapping in where I can see the water a little bit, but I'm really just letting it find the water. And then it just goes. Look at that. When I touch those puddles, like it just kind of flows. And I love this. I think it's such a fun organic technique. There's a lot of white space in there, which I love. Maybe for the green, I'll just do a little, I kind of like this lemon green. Let me grab some more of that. Where is my, here it is. My lemon, or my, I think in the My Lane palette, it's actually called yellow green. A little bit more water, and then kind of tap in there. I can see where the water is, so I can kind of tap into those. I know this is wild and crazy, right? Now, if you're just like, I need more detail than that, you can spread it around a little bit. I'm actually even going to blow on it. There you go. And you know what, guys? I'm calling that a day. How fun is that? I think this would be really fun on a card. If you're, I always say this, if you're good at calligraphy, wow. So many more options if you're good at calligraphy. I'm not, guys. I'm just not. I try. I feel like I want a little bit of some dark green in there. I love green with purple, by the way. But I'm really kind of following what's there. And you know what? I am done. That's it, guys. Okay, I hope you give this a try. This is really going to loosen you up. It's going to get the inspiration flowing, and it just keeps it simple and fun. This is something you can do in 15 minutes. So I hope you'll give it a try, have fun. Hop on over to Patreon, because one of the first reasons I did it is so we could share our pictures. There's a free membership. And so I hope to see you there. I love seeing you guys here too. All right. Thanks for being here. I'm so grateful for you guys. Ooh, look at that. I'm going to put that flower right in my heart. Okay. I'll see you soon. I'll be right here reminding you, you are an artist.